Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, I don't know if it is of any use to share the sorrow and the pain that's been killing me every day and every night. With every interaction I have with a Muslim, be it in India or in the Arab world, the wound grows deeper and deeper. For many years, I have been meeting those Muslims who are living as strangers to the very book that made them Muslims. In masajid, in conferences, in government offices, homes, institutions, gatherings, Muslims, educated, scholars, officers, ordinary ones, Maulvis, and the so-called ulama and mashayikh, they have all abandoned the book of Allah. They talk about everything under the sun except the ayat, as if I am living in a world where Quran has become a taboo. Muslims passionately defend personalities, organizations, sects, schools of thoughts, movements, traditions, and inherited loyalties. But when the conversation turned to Quran itself, an uncomfortable silence often filled the room. The pain becomes even greater when I witness those religious figures cunningly ignoring the teachings of Quran while continuing to proclaim their devotion for Islam. Muslims today do not hate corruption, dishonesty, injustice, oppression, or moral decay. They themselves have become the embodiment of corruption and dishonesty. And yet they claim to love Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the Quran that they refuse to follow. In my pursuit to find a shelter for the revival of Quranic tadabbur, I have been bluntly refused, reprimanded, and even discouraged to revive Quran in our state, Bihar. The man who has become the sole controller of the entire Waqf land in Bihar has shut the door in my face. When I requested him a room or two to gather Muslims and discuss the ayat of Quran, even the land endowed in the name of Allah is prohibited for the book of Allah. No, not even masajid are open to Quran. They are there to read and discuss other books. It hurts me watching the Ummah drifting away from the very source of its strength. I don't know if ever we the Muslims will change our path and be back to Quran. I'm trying my level best. I hope it happens soon. Or is it too late to mend? Allahu alam bis-sawab. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.